Hello everyone, for today I will teach you how to enable the Windows Defender settings in Windows 10. Okay, let's start. So at the right hand side here you will see a Windows Shield icon. Let's click this. As you can see, there is this first option, virus and threat protection. Let's check the manage settings. The real-time protection is on, cloud delivered protection is on, automatic sample submission and tamper protection is also on. So let's go back to the account protection. For the account protection, it depends on you whether you would like to sign in or not. It's fine. Next, the third option, the firewall and network protection. So this domain network, private network, and public network should be turned on. It is the most important Windows security among them. Next, the app and control and the device security. There's no need action for these two, so it's okay. So these three, the virus threat protection, account protection, and firewall and network protection should be checked, and it should have this green mark on at least the three of them. So what's good about this is that there's no need to buy any antivirus program because the Windows Defender will do its work. So alright, just make sure to check and update your Windows security, and thank you for watching this video.